stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip flops. Manicures and pedicures.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just showing you how to construct a closure wig. This is handmade, hand sewn. So the first thing you're going to want to do is line up your closure as I did, and you're going to want to use T-pins to pin it down, and this part is very important. You want to make sure it's completely straight. As you guys can see, the closure is flat. That's really important. So as you sew, it remains flat. And another important step is you're going to sew one side as you see me doing, and if you're using a mesh cap like me, don't go through the elastic, just go through the first layer of that cap, otherwise you will prevent it from stretching. So you're going to do one side, and then you're going to stop, and then you're going to do the other side, and then you're going to do the back. Alright, so we're just gonna knot it and we're done. As you can see, the closure is flat as I stated. And now I'm just gonna be showing you the hair I am using. So this hair is from Isee hair. I did order from the website, and I ordered their Mongolian hair. I got two 24 inches and one 22, and this is the Mongolian deep curly. And yeah, I'm just showing you what the hair looks like. It looks really good. It's also been like a week since I wore this hair, and it's really nice. So this point here, as you see, I'm pulling where these two lines are on the cap, I'm pulling them down. This is to mimic the nape of the neck, just add some shape, I guess. So as for starting the wig, I will say everyone does this different. This is just the way I started this wig. I will say I am doubling up my weft just because it just makes the process go by faster and saves you some time. So I put my needle through the cap, the first layer of the cap, not through the elastic band, and then I sewed it through the track. I usually sew around the track, but to end and to begin, I usually sew it through the track.
It's hard to resist the thing that I missed for so long. Can't remember what it's like, just so many I needed.
Now I try so hard to stay medicated so I don't have to face the wrong I've done. I take these enemies, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself.
So at this point, I'm just showing you guys how I sew. It's kind of hard to describe in words, but I'm sewing under and pulling through the middle, if that makes sense, so that it can not necessarily knot it, but it really ties it in. I'll just let you guys watch me because it's best to just watch it to understand.
Try so hard to stay medicated so I don't have to face the wrong I've done to you. Take these they make me I need such a tear my system. I need such a I take these journeys, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip perp to clear my head since you've been gone. These knees, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Spaced out, staring at the ceiling, talking to my demons. That's for a reason why I feel the way I'm feeling. If I'm the one who cheated on the sex without no meaning, I like to keep her heart safe from my start beating. Now I try so hard to stay medicated so I don't have to face the wrong I've done. I take these enemies, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head since you've been gone. These endings, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head since you've been gone. Since you've been gone. try so hard to stay medicated, so I don't have to face the wrong I've done to you. Priorities I need, they make me anti-social. Tell my system anti-social.
So when you get to the top right here, you can get really close. You can even at one point sew the bottom of your closure and the top of the track together just to make sure it's secure and all knotted together. So this is the wig when it's finally constructed. We're also not done yet. We're about to do something else to the wig. So when you're done constructing the wig, you're going to flip it inside out, and here you're going to cut the extra cap around where you sewed the closure. So you don't want to get too close, because if you get too close you'll loosen the thread, but you don't want to be too far away because you don't want the cap to be there, because you know your closure, the knots are bleached, you want it to be see-through essentially. So yeah, get close but not too close. Let's take a second for the closure, okay? It looks so good. The closure did come pre-plucked, but I did go ahead and pluck it some more. And here I am just trying to mess around. I'm going to do a middle part. That's why I'm doing that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out part 2 of this video where I will show you how to install the wig.